Hello guys and good morning. I am here in Iran today in Tehran, and I wanted to just share with you how you can book a hostel or hotel in Tehran. Most of the US services in American companies don't work here in Iran. For example, booking.com or agoda.com, which we mostly use for booking hotels and hostels online, but they don't work here. What is the solution? You have to just write on Google uh, hostels in Tehran and how to book a hostel in Tehran or in Iran or any other city in Iran if you want to book a hostel there. You cannot make payment to them online via credit card, but you can do transfer money from any European country or any Asian country. That's possible. You can transfer money via bank account, but most of the times you can actually book a hostel or hotel online. You can reserve it, and when you reach the hostel, then you can pay them on the spot. So that's possible, and I also do the same. I'm coming here to Iran for second time, and this time I also reserved a hostel online. The hostel name is High Tehran Hostel. I am not this is not a sponsored video for High Tehran Hostel, but I'm just sharing my own experience here. I searched and I went to their website, and then I booked a hostel, a bed space in hostel, because hostels are mostly very cheaper options for accommodation and for staying. That's why I always use hostels. So this hostel cost me only €9. When you come to the hostel, so you pay them on the spot for the nights you have actually booked. And then how it looks, I am just going to show you. To be very honest and frankly speaking, facilities are good and up to the standards for the hostel especially. They have very good lobby, sitting area, kitchen, and different basic facilities like Wi-Fi, breakfast free of cost with the hostel, and so many different other things. But how it looks actually in reality, I will show you. This one, High Tehran, they have two branches, and this one is located in the center of the city near Firdousi Chowk. So I will show you this one, and then you can just get an idea that how the hostels look in Iran. This is just the sitting area, you can call it lobby, in this High Tehran hostel. So this is the reception of High Tehran hostel. They're actually, this branch is under construction. They have other branch in other area which is completely operational and working, but they are working hard on this one to make tourists and guests to stay here with comfort and with friendly environment of Iran. And she is Fahime, the receptionist here at High Tehran hostel. So, Fahime, how are you?
Hi, thank you so much. My name is Fahime. I'm working in High Tehran Hostel, second branch. We have two branches in Tehran, and I'm be so happy to see you in our hostel.
Look at these beds. They are the beds available in these hostels. Very clean, nice, and comfortable. With this portrait, Iranian portrait, and you can have an outside view from the window. This is my bed in Tehran hostel. This is another room. So also have this nice view of Tehran city.
Okay.
I'm sitting in the hostel here in the area, which is a lawn, And one thing I want to mention here is, if when you book a hostel online, I mean, you have to contact them through their website, and you can actually communicate with them through email and through mobile phone as well. They have their number and email address there on the website, so on email they will confirm your reservation, and if you have any questions you can ask them straight away via email. One last thing, but not the least thing, is that every hostel, most of the hostels in Iran actually provide you with the free breakfast, and so that is the same case with High Tehran Hostel. You are offer free tea and coffee all the time, all the day, and Iranian tea is, man, just love. It is very, very tasty and nice. And also they have this traditional bread or some kind of cake or biscuit. Fahime, what is its name?
And the name is Fuman. It's such a cookie that's creating Fuman city in north of Iran.
North of Iran.
Yeah.
It is homemade.
Yeah, actually homemade and
Also available in bakeries.
yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. So this is very nice thing, man. I just tested it in the breakfast, and it was really tasty and delicious. So that's all from High Tehran, and I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions, just put in the comment and I will be there to answer you. Bye for now, and see you in another video.